How to update TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to update TikTok, what you can simply do is tap on the option of Google Play Store. So launch Google Play Store application on your device and tap on the search bar. Simply search for TikTok. As you search for TikTok, if you have any update available for TikTok, you'll be able to see the option of update over here beside the TikTok name, which is right now not available because we do not have any updates available. So you'll only be able to see the option of open, which means we have an updated version of the TikTok application. But if you have an update available, you'll be able to see the option of update right over here, and you can tap on it and update the TikTok application. Next, what you can do is you can simply tap on the search bar and search for update. And as you do that, you'll be able to see the option of see updates. Select on it, and if you have any updates, you'll be able to see right over here under available updates. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.